Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the exercises of classification of the living organism 5 kidney system of class 7, right? First, multiple choice questions. Multicellular eukaryotic organisms having cells without chlorophyll belongs to kingdom Animalia. Reproduction in amoeba by dividing into two is called binary fission. Following is an example of a fungus, mushroom. Locomotion in amoeba occurs by pseudopodia. The antibiotic penicillin is obtained from the following fungus. Penicillin is obtained from fungus. Next, true and false. Amoeba belongs to kingdom Monera. It's a false statement. Bacillus bacteria is a rod-shaped bacteria. It is true. Bacteria have pseudopodia which help in their movement. It is false. Respiration in amoeba occurs through the diffusion of gases in its cell membrane. That statement is true. Curd contains the lactobacillus bacteria. Yes, it is true. Fill in the blanks. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular and eukaryotic organism. Amoeba removes its metabolic waste by contractile vacuole. Vertical hyphae of bread mold have sporangia on their tips. E. coli is an example of bacteria. Fungi live on dead and decaying organic matter and so are called saprophytes. Next, match the following. Kingdom Monera, sponges. Kingdom Fungi, bread mold. Kingdom Plantae is algae. Kingdom Protista, amoeba. Kingdom Animalia is bread mold, right? Name the following. Scientific nomenclature given by Carolus Linnaeus is binomial system. Kingdom of microscopic, unicellular and prokaryotic organisms, it is Monera. A fungus that is used in the production of alcohol, it is yeast. Bacteria present in curd, it is lactobacillus. Name of an antibiotic derived from fungus, it is penicillin, right? Now here, next you see the diagram based questions here. Identify the organism given in the figure. It is bread mold, right? Which kingdom does it belong to? It belongs to fungi. Label the parts 1 and 2. Part 1, it is sporangia. Part 2, it is hyphae. Now differentiate kingdom Monera and kingdom Protista, fungi and bacteria, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now just see here, classify between Monera and Protista. Monera, they are unicellular and prokaryotic cellular structure, whereas Protista, it is unicellular and eukaryotic cellular structure. They are autotrophic or heterotrophic. They are parasitic or holozoic or photosynthetic. In Monera, membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. In Protista, membrane-bound cell organelles are present. Here, true nucleus absent in Monera, true nucleus present in Protista. Monera, they have the simple structure. Protista, they have the complex structure. For example, bacillus and mycobacteria. Here, example, Euglena algae. Monera, they are found everywhere, where Protista, they are found in aquatic areas and some in shady places and moist lands, right? Next, fungi and bacteria. Now see fungi, they are eukaryotic multicellular. The cell structure is complicated. Bacteria, they are microscopic unicellular prokaryotic. The cell structure is simple. Fungi are typically decomposers, whereas bacteria, they can be both producers like chemosynthetic bacteria and decomposers like soil bacteria. Fungi, reproduction is asexual or sexual both. Here reproduction is asexual reproduction. Fungi mostly thread-like structures known as hyphae but vary in shape. They have different shapes like round, spiral, and rod shaped, right? Next difference is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes normally 0.2 to 2 millimicron in diameter. Eukaryotes normally 10 to 100 millimicron in diameter. They have no true nucleus, no nuclear membrane or nucleolus. They consist of true nucleus with nuclear membrane and nucleolus. They consist of single stranded of DNA molecule in the nuclei. They consist of multiple linear, means double stranded chromosomes of the helix present in the nucleus. Membrane-bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes. Membrane-bound organelles are present in eukaryotes. Now, the first question here, what is binomial system of nomenclature? Now, here, the binomial system of nomenclature, binomial system of nomenclature is the biological system of naming the organism in which the name is composed of two names, where first name indicates the genus and the second name indicates the species of the organism. Or you can say system of providing a name with two components, that is called binomial nomenclature, where the first component represents the generic name and the second component represents the specific name. What is the scientific name of the human being? The scientific name of the human being is Homo sapiens, right? Give two disadvantages of two kingdom classification, two disadvantages of two kingdom classification. First of all, unicellular and multicellular organisms are put together in the one group. Fungi, which are non-photosynthetic, were clubbed together with photosynthetic green plants. Bacteria could not be classified as plants or animals. Next one, which type of organisms are placed in kingdom fungi? In kingdom fungi, organisms like unicellular or multicellular eukaryotes without chlorophyll, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, mainly saprophytes, are kept in fungi. Example, yeast, aspergillus, agaricus, mushrooms, etc. Name different shapes of bacteria. Different shapes of bacteria are coccus spherical, bacilli rod shaped, vibrio comma shaped, as you can see here. For spirali spiral shaped, just spiral shaped bacteria are there, right? Sixth question, give two advantages of bacteria. Two advantages of bacteria are in making of cheese. Different varieties of cheese are prepared by fermenting milk with different types of bacteria. Second, production of vinegar. When sugar is fermented with acetic acid bacteria, sugar gets converted into vinegar. And the next, seventh one, how does amoeba takes its nutrition? Amoeba captures its food with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudopodia fuse around the food and form a food vacuole. Food is digested in the food vacuole and with the help of the digestion. See, here you can see amoeba, this is the food. First, food is surrounded by the vacuole. Later, it covers and make it inside. Then the digestive enzymes are secreted by the cytoplasm and digest. Whatever the materials it required, that is taken in. जो भी इसको चाहिए वो इसको ले लेता और जो नहीं होता वो वापस इसको throw out कर देता है. Then seventh one, what is binary fission? Splitting of mature cells into two or more cells of the same type is called binary fission. It takes place in amoeba. Ninth one, how does amoeba respire? Respiration in amoeba takes place by simple diffusion of gases through its cell membrane. It takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide into the surrounding water through the simple process of diffusion. Right? What are vaccines? Preparation that contains weaker germs causing various diseases are vaccines. मीन्स डिफरेंट वैक्सीन आर देयर। अगर आपको किसी टाइफाइड का वैक्सीन है तो उसमें वीकर जर्म्स ऑफ टाइफाइड होंगे, वही टाइफाइड की वैक्सीन। इसलिए जो भी डिजीज होती है उसी डिजीज के वीकर जर्म्स जो होते हैं, इसीलिए वैक्सीन का टाइम ड्यूरेशन होता है। अगर वो क्योंकि वीकर जर्म्स हैं वो जल्दी ही मर जाते हैं, तो इसलिए वैक्सीन वेस्ट हो जाती है। How does the bread mold derive its nutrition? Bread mold derive its nutrition from the bread on which it grows. The hyphae penetrates into the bread and secretes various enzymes which digest the food outside the body. The digested food is then absorbed by the hyphae into their body. भाई ब्रेड मोल्ड कर रहा है तो इसका फूड कैसे लगेगा? इट टेक्स ब्रेड, एंजाइम सिक्रीट करता है, जो एंजाइम सिक्रीट करता है तो उससे जो ब्रेड मोल्ड है वो डाइजेस्ट होगा, और उसके बाद डाइजेस्टेड फूड जो है हाइफी एब्सॉर्ब कर लेते हैं। नेम टू यूजफुल फंजाई, टू यूजफुल फंजाई, aspergillus, it is used in the formation of cheese. Penicillium notatum, making antibiotic penicillin. Mushrooms, they are eaten as food. Any two you can take it. Now 4 important features of the kingdom Plantae. The 4 important, they are multicellular, they are eukaryotic with chlorophyll, they are autotrophic in nutrition. Plant cells, they have cell wall, right? Now the next one, last one, name the kingdom in which to which sponges belong. Give 3 important features. Now the kingdom to which sponges belong is Animalia. 3 important features. First, they are multicellular and eukaryotic organism. Second, cannot prepare their food and obtain the food by different modes. They have heterotrophic nutrition. The group includes all multicellular invertebrates and vertebrates from sponges to mammals. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.